4 screens in front of us. They're all 1-minute charts. We're looking at the SPY. So again, the futures in the red, but they're kind of trending up here going into the open. We have FSR, which received an upgrade today. This stock is sold off hard and is now coming back. So got some strength into it. SNDX received some medical news. They were up earlier. They obviously are selling off hard, so we're not going to do that one. I'll come up with another one here in a second. And finally, for our short of the day, space is Virgin Galactic. Here's the opening bell. Because space is Virgin Galactic got dumped by Kathy Wood this morning, so we'll keep an eye on that to the short side. All right, again, I'll find something to replace SNDX here. We'll look at another short, FUTU, selling off. So again, it's long FSR, short FUTU, and then short space SPCE. If we look at the low of the day, it's 1357. It'd be 15 cents. That's too hard. So 1355 would be 1370. So it'd be 1375 with the 20-cent stop. To be able to go long FSR here. And again, this is a upgrade recommendation. It's a buy. So let's take it long here at 1375. There it is long. We are going to use a, what did I say, 20-cent stop. So 1355 is your lower stop here. Again, covering the low of the day. So we get the arrow put in here. Already zipping off the chart. It's just at the 1-hour point. It looks like it's gone up a lot. It hasn't. It's just gone up to the 1-hour point. So we'll get that drawn in here in a second. All right, 1375 is our entry. 1395 is our first R. Again, with the 20-cent stop. And then the exit point would be 1435, which is way off the chart here. So you kind of have to let this one go for a while. Zoom in here a little bit. My messed up arrow, it's terrible arrow, but all right, in at 1375. Bottom stop here, 1355, and then we'll just let this thing continue to cook. All right, bring that up on another screen if you want. Otherwise, because I'm going to go off of this chart onto the bigger picture stuff. Ooh, what's going on? Crush earnings. All right, let's check back on our trade, see how it did. All right, so it's well into the green. Didn't quite hit our exit point, but let's catch up with our chart here. So 20 cents on this is 1415 is our 2-hour point, which is right here, and then 1435 is the exit. Up here, 1435 is our 3-hour point. So again, I'm not a big fan of killing trades before they get there, but this did have quite a move. So you're up 2R. If you wanted to exit here, that's fine. I'm going to go ahead and just let it ride for it to go all the way up to 1435. But on the news, on this being just an upgrade, I would have no problem just killing the trade here and accepting your 2R. So actually, let's do that. I'm going to go ahead and kill it now. So what I get there, 1410. When I said kill it, so we'll call that the final trade for the day, exiting out at the 1.7 R point. So doubled your money, and then what's that, 170%. So a little more on top of that. So all right,